எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today we will be discussing first lesson, that is unit 1 of third standard mathematics. Okay, so the first lesson is geometry. We will be looking at the basic shapes, that is square, rectangle, triangle, circle. You might be knowing what a square is. When length and breadth are equal, then it becomes a square. Okay, for a rectangle, length and breadth are not equal. Okay, two sides will be equal, opposite sides will be equal, but length and breadth are not equal. If length and breadth are equal for a rectangle, it becomes square. Then this is triangle, then this is circle. Fine. Now you need to identify the shapes of the objects which are around you. Okay. For example, see the objects which are shown here. Okay, and figure out what shape they are. This one scale clearly rectangle, right? Both sides are equal, opposite sides are equal. Okay, and length and breadth are not equal. And this one is triangle, fine, and this one is square. Okay, chessboard is a square, and plate circle, clock also circle. This one seems like a square. Okay, but see what is inside. He is famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Okay, and this shape is triangle, and this one is rectangle. Fine. These are 2D shapes, right? You know the difference between 2D and 3D, right? This is 2D. Okay. Square has 4 sides, all 4 sides are equal. Okay, now take a paper, fold the paper as shown in the figure. Okay, in this way. Okay, tear out that extra portion whichever is left over. Okay, so this is triangle, this one is rectangle, then this one becomes square. If you fold this one to off, you will it will become a what will it become? Triangle, right angle triangle. We'll be dealing with all the type of triangles in the later course. Okay, for now it's better if you have a piece of paper, it's better to practice in this way. Okay, see what types of shapes you are getting. How many sides and how many corners a square has? Right, square has 4 sides clearly. 1 2 3 4. Corners also 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, how many diagonals it has? It has 2 diagonals. One is this, other is this. Okay, square has 4 sides, all the 4 sides are equal. Square has 4 corners, square has 2 diagonals, the 2 diagonals are equal. Now take the rectangle which is kept aside, observe its sides, opposite sides are equal. Okay, and the diagonals are also equal. Now the properties of rectangle are: rectangle has 4 sides, 2 opposite sides are equal. Rectangle has 4 corners, rectangle has 2 diagonals, 2 diagonals are equal. Yes, you are right. Yes, now triangle, properties of triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and it has 3 corners, 1 2 3. Okay, When all the sides of triangle are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. Okay. Circle is a closed curve. Circle has no sides. These are the properties of the circle. Circle has no corner. Circle has a center point. Okay. Triangle has how many corners? 3 corners. 4 sides of a square are equal. Circle has dash sides? No sides. Rectangle has dash diagonals? 2 diagonals. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Circle has dash center point? 1 center point. You need to make all 2D shapes here, okay, by making use of these dots. Now you have to join the dots to make design, okay. Now see, one example is given here, okay. This is curved object or straight line. This is curved object only. Curved, it has more curved lines, so tick curved lines. Now you draw on your own and see whether it is having curved lines or straight lines. If it is having only straight lines, put a tick mark here, okay. If it is made up of curvature like this, put a tick mark here. Put a tick mark in the appropriate columns. Okay, now first shape, see the first shape, plane surface, curved surface, plane surface and curved surface. This is plane surface only, put a tick mark here. This is also plane and this got curve, right. This is also somewhere it is given, right. These are plane surfaces and these are curved, okay. So this one is curved, this one is also curved, this one is also curved. Construction of 3D shapes. Look at the things around you. Identify the shapes of the object. Observe the dimensions of the each object. Okay. Now see the 3D shapes. Usually in real life we'll encounter 3D shapes only, right? So solid shapes have 3 dimensions, namely length and breadth. Length and breadth we already know. Okay. Third one is height. Okay. This is length. This is breadth. This one is height. Okay. These are shortly called as 3D shapes. 3 dimensions are there, right? Length, breadth, and height. That's why these are called 3D shapes. This one is cuboid. Okay. When length and breadth are not equal, then it becomes cuboid. This one is cube when every side is equal. Okay. Length, breadth, height all are equal in a cube. This one is cylinder. Okay, this shape is cylinder. This one is sphere. Okay, and this is called pyramid, and this one is called cone. Cube is a solid shape made up of squares. I told you, right? I told you. It has 6 faces. How many faces a cube has? 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, this side, 4 here, 5 on top, 6th one bottom. Yeah, 6 faces, 12 edges. Let's count edges also. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Hmm. Is it difficult to find it out? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 5, 6. Right. 7, 8. 4 more are there but not visible, right? If you have a simple die, okay, dice, if you have that dice, you see how many edges it has. Okay, dice is a perfect example for a cube, and 8 vertices. 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cuboid is a solid shape made up of rectangles. It has 6 faces. A cube and cuboid has equal number of faces, 6 faces only, 12 edges and 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are vertexes. Okay. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite also 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are edges. Okay. These are edges. See, edges are the number of lines. These are edges. Okay, and this one, these points are vertices. Okay, vertex. If it is single vertex, plural vertices. So it has, cube has eight vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 4, 4, 8. 8 only. Okay. Similarly, if you count the number of edges, they will become 12. Cuboid is a solid sphere made up of rectangle. Yeah, this is over. Sphere is a solid shape made up of circles. It has one faces, no edges and no vertex. Compare the following table by filling the properties of second and 3D, 2D and 3D shapes. Figure. Yes, this is 2D. Shape name is rectangle. Number of sides 4. Number of edges 4. Number of corners 4. Number of diagonals 2. This is triangle. Number of sides 3. Number of edges 3. Number of corners 3. Number of diagonals, it has no diagonals. No. Circle, number of sides nil. Number of edges nil. Number of corners 0. Number of diagonals also 0. Okay. Similarly, you proceed up to here. Okay. Match the following. Yeah, this one is cone. This one is also cone. This one cuboid. Right, cuboid. This one is cuboid. This one is also cuboid. Oh, this one sphere. Right. This is also sphere. Dice, perfect example for cube. Okay. One, two, three, four, 5. This one is cube. Maybe this one is not cube. It is not appearing like cube. Okay, leave it. And this one is cylinder. This one is also cylinder. Okay. Join the dots to form a 3D object. Okay. There are some shapes that cannot be used to make tailing patterns. By what are they? Name them and give the reasons. If any a pentagon has 5 sides, hexagon has 6 sides. Complete the following pattern. Tessellate a new region using the following shapes. Triangles, squares, hexagons or regular polygons tessellate in the plane. What this girl is saying? I can see two different tiles in this pattern. Okay. What this guy is saying?
I think only one type of tile has been used.
Mm-hmm. He's telling, this guy is telling there is only one type of tile is used, and she is telling that there are two different types of tiles are used. In this, only one type only, right? So the pentagons and heptagons are regular polygons. They do not tessellate. Ask the children to draw tessellate in the plane region using square and pentagon. So this is the end of lesson 1. Okay. Mostly these tile parts anyway not much useful in the exam point of view. Fine. But it will be quite interesting to know. Okay. Thank you guys. Nandri. Vanakkam.